He's not liking it. He is not liking it. Oh, he looks so cute. Oh my god. That's awesome. Spinosaur gets today's modern trends. This is so awesome. Uh-oh. You dropped his backpack. He's going to be pissed at you. He's kicking around. Does your mom dress you this stuff?
That's okay, they were gonna fit.
They have to fit. Does it have a tail hole in the back?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, that's gotta fit.
Oh, it does have a tail hole in the back.
Oh, awesome. Put the tail through the hole. That's awesome. Is it difficult? Oh my god.
Pull your pants up.
This is awesome. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Oh my god, it's so cute.
Check it.
Yeah. We're making a YouTube video. He's hot. Ha. Searching for my own remains. That's awesome. That's just awesome. You're doing a good job.
Right foot?
I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, right and left. Those are so cute. This is so fun.
Alright, stand up. Make sure they fit.
Oh, the things I do to make people happy. Aw, that's so sweet. He's tying his little shoe. I'm going to show your mom this video.
Put it in a dumbbell line.
What? Yeah. That's so cute. Oh my god. Oh, that's awesome.
Stay still.
Armando, the dino sitter. Dino daycare.
You can follow me around for like the rest of the day.
Yeah, we could do that. You're gonna have to babysit him and take him to the movie.
Alright.
He's so freaking adorable. Oh my god. Oh, that's just awesome. You gotta give his backpack on. He can't go hiking without his pack. Yeah. Well, it won't unclip. Oh, there you go. That's awesome. My name is Spinosaurus. He's not liking it. Oh my god, that's cute. He's your little dude for the day.
Get a stroller.
Huh?
Get a stroller.
You can get a stroller. You know, so many millions of years ago, he could have walked you. Awesome. You gotta hold him up. No, you gotta hold him up. He's just far away from you. Come on, cuddle a little.
Man.
Aw.